In its pursuit to make Greenland a part of USA, its president Donald Trump has recently appointed Louisiana's governor Jeff Landry as its special envoy to Greenland. Let us get familiar with Greenland and then the politics behind it. Geographically considered as largest island of the world, is surrounded by Arctic Ocean on its north, Greenland Sea on its east, the North Atlantic Ocean on its south, the Baffin Bay and Davis Strait on its west. Its capital is Nuuk and it has a small population of just 57,000. It is a semi-autonomous self-governing territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. Interestingly, Greenland, being a part of North America, is much closer to New York than the Denmark's capital Copenhagen. Now, let us see why the US is so keen on Greenland. President Trump has stated that the ships of China and Russia are inching closer to US through Arctic and Greenland. So, for security reasons, Greenland is a must. His advisors also point that US can have its radars, ballistic missiles, early warning system and other defense establishments in Greenland for safety and security reasons. But experts opine that there are other hidden reasons too. Greenland is very rich in minerals like zinc, uranium and rare earths. Also, Greenland can provide the shortest sea route between North America and Europe. Further, US can get free access to Arctic and its vast resources like oil and gas. And what is the global reaction to the US ambitions? Both Denmark and Greenland has criticized President Trump's move and suggested US to respect the territorial integrity of Greenland. Europe also came in support of Denmark, which is a part of European Union and NATO. However, undeterred, President Trump is trying to influence Greenland through investments and portraying Denmark in a bad light that it doesn't concern about Greenland and US can offer help. Also, he pointed that US can go as far as we have to, if needed, to acquire Greenland. Only time can tell how far the US can go and whether Greenland can be annexed or not. Thank you.